Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of The Medicine is in Your Food. And today we're going to be discussing turmeric. So turmeric is a spice, and it's the actual root of the turmeric plant. And it's the main ingredient in curry powder. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, and it is responsible for turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been grown in India, Asia, and Central America for years and used as holistic medication in these countries. So why is it becoming so popular now? So it has been proven that it decreases inflammation. It's an awesome anti-inflammatory agent. And on my channel, I discuss the negative effects of inflammation throughout your body, causing Alzheimer's, cancer, ADHD, and so many other ailments. And it's very hard to know where in the body the inflammation is. So turmeric is awesome to incorporate into your daily lifestyle just to clear out inflammation in general. It helps our brain by increasing the levels of BDNH, which is brain-derived neutrophil factors. And this is a hormone that helps improve memory and decrease brain diseases. It has also been proven to be a great antihistamine, reducing the symptoms of certain allergies. It's a natural stopper of leukotriene. And leukotriene is a chemical within the lungs that causes constriction. So it has been found to help with asthma and COPD. It is currently being used as an herb in the treatment of cancer because it has been shown to decrease the spread and inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. It is also a great antibacterial and analgesic. The World Health Organization has determined that 1.4 milligrams per pound of body weight is an acceptable amount of daily intake for turmeric, which means if you weigh 100 pounds, just to make the math easy, your daily intake of turmeric will be 1,400 daily. Although the Indians' daily intake ranges between 2,000 and 2,500 daily. Now, if we're using turmeric as medicine, we have to discuss the side effects. The main side effect, I believe, of turmeric is the ability for it to decrease clotting. So if you're already on a blood thinner, turmeric is not for you. It also interacts with certain medications, which I will include down below. It decreases blood pressure. So if you suffer from low blood pressure, turmeric is not for you either. Just like any other medication, consult with your physician before starting turmeric. Now let's discuss how we can incorporate turmeric into our daily routine. It isn't very well absorbed by our bodies, so it's usually combined with black pepper to help its absorption, or with a fatty meal because it is fat soluble. I like to have a warm cup of milk with turmeric, cinnamon, and a little honey. So today was leg day. I'm actually still, unfortunately, in my gym clothes. Just threw on a little makeup just to do this video. I was about to go and make my turmeric milk, and I decided, hey, this is a good time to explain the benefits of turmeric. And I find that I am less sore in the morning, and it also helps me sleep. I like to put it in my smoothies. Sometimes I season my vegetables with it. It just gives it a nice curry flavor. I also make a salad dressing with it, and I'll be showing you how to do that. I do suggest that if you're buying it as a powder, you do get organic turmeric powder, because let's not forget that it is the root of the plant. And if it's not grown in an organic environment, it will be subjected to high doses of pesticides. Okay guys, I am going to make my golden milk now. Thank you for joining me for this episode of The Medicine is in Your Food. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put on your notification for my next video.